You see an abandoned factory. We see the strength of a people. You see an abandoned train station. We see what used to be the workforce of the Balkans. It started with a set of values: respect, compassion, and persistence. It was those values that kept us strong. And when the world saw a reason to destruct, we found the will to construct. You see forbidden land. We see potential. You see a new home. We see a community. We see a new confidence to think differently. BP Home has standardized the construction process by making it modular, digital, and self-sustainable. In the face of adversity, we see a reason to keep pushing and form long-lasting relationships. We see a reason to innovate. From this day forward, the functions of your home are at your fingertips. We always have the courage to look past today's horizon. So together, let's look toward the future of living.